Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanya, and today I am bringing you a review on this Dose of Colors liquid lip gloss that I went and purchased at my local Ulta today. I've heard some very good things about Dose of Colors lip glosses, so if you'd like to stick around and watch this review, then stay tuned. Also, please remember to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell, and if you have any comments, please leave them below, and I will see you in the video. Okay, so I of course have no lipstick on because I will be doing a demonstration on the lip gloss. So you've already seen the packaging, and I'm just going to take it out of the tube, and this is in the color Sand, and this is what their packaging looks like. Very beautiful packaging. And I am going to go ahead and swatch it on my hand. Hope you guys can see that. Very pretty nude. So this will be a very short video. I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. So let's see what it looks like. So I look like I have powdered sugar. So I'm going to probably have to pair this with a lip liner. But this is what it looks like. I'm going to zoom up. And so far I'm really liking it. I'm going to just let it dry down a little bit, and I will be right back with my final thoughts. Okay, so I am using a lip pencil by MAC called Strip Down, and after pairing it with the Strip Down, I like it a lot better. I felt like I had just bitten into a white powdered sugar donut, but other than that, it is a stunning nude. It's dried down. It feels very smooth on my lips. It's not separating, which I love. And it doesn't feel crusty like some of the other brands, especially I've run across some cheaper brands that just crack and peel and feel really crusty on your lips. So yes, I am loving this Dose of Colors liquid lipstick, and I think I will repurchase some more and do some more reviews on them. So please remember to subscribe and comment below if you like this lip gloss, if it's a yay or a nay, and I will see you in the next video.